You know, visibility and miscalculation are the reasons for so many reversing accidents, and Polaris want to reduce that statistic. So what do? Talk to them about getting a reversing kit for your vehicle. The reverse van system is a complete reversing camera system, and it's perfect for your caravan, your box trailer, your horse float, your boat, whatever you've got, you need one of these. Now this kit comes with our 5-inch monitor, an infrared style camera for the rear of the caravan, and a complete trailer cable kit, also known as the WASA kit. And if you want an even bigger screen, no problems. Polaris also sell essentially the same kit, but with a 7-inch screen. And you can also add a car camera to both of these models for an extra cost to help you with hitching the trailer. The beauty of the WASA kit, it allows you to connect it to the rear of your trailer, and then your connection is nice, neat, professional looking, and you don't affect the image quality. So when you're ready to take your caravan out, all you have to do is connect your vehicle to your caravan with your curly cord, and away you go. We all know that reversing into tight spots can be a real pain with your caravan, and this kit helps you reverse with absolute confidence. And if you're in Sydney, give Polaris a call about installing your unit. And to find out more, just give them a call, 1300 55 5514, or go to their website, polarisgps.com.au.